How's it going, YouTube? It's the Houleigan. As you can see, I finished up my Avante GF-01 Avante Comical Avante with Kenny driving. Homer watching by the fridge there. Got myself a new soldering iron because my other one died. I just had that out just because I wanted to see the two side by side. I have the two oddball Avantes. Now I need to get some of the real ones. I've had a bunch of people around in that, so I haven't been able to film. Hopefully that'll end today. So yeah, looks so much better in the sun, that color. Anyways, also here's an update. My WL Toys 144001. This is how it looks at the moment. The parts sitting in it. I've stripped it down. All metal front and rear parts. Body pushers, the new steering parts. And yesterday I got all these, which is basically all the gears. So now I get to take it apart and do the gear sets on all metal. Also, I have hiding over here this tiny little servo. Wonder what that could be for. And looks like a motor of some sort. Yeah, there you go, Orlando, sorry. Those are some of the parts. And I got myself a kit to do. I wanted the Toyota, so it only comes in kit form. Anyways, that'll be fun to do. It'll be hard on my hands, but I ain't gonna do a build video on this. No, I'm sorry. I can watch build videos, but filming them, I can't take it. Anyways, if you're listening this far, have a nice day. God bless, and I'm getting this guy out in the sunshine there very shortly. I hope to have a run. So get out there and RC, guys. Later.